What if you could prank a friend, colleague, family member or even your boss work by making a fake video call? Awesome, right? In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make fake video calls and make people feel you're on holiday or in another amazing part of the world. Even if you want to miss a visual meeting, this video will show you how to record a video and make it play while you're busy doing other stuffs with your life. Before we continue, I'll have to stress on this, just be careful. Use this as a form or learning and don't impersonate anyone with intent to harm someone. If you're doing it legally then it is allowed, aside that don't hack anyone. Don't use this with ill intent, use it to learn and have fun with it, don't use it to harm someone. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also like and share this video so it can reach out to other people. First, we will be needing these softwares. 1. Manycam. I know some people might be confused and wondering what in God's good earth is Manycam? Don't stress, we will explain. Manycam is a software program that allows users to use their webcam with multiple different video chat and video streaming applications simultaneously for Windows and Mac OS computers. Users can also add live graphics effects and filters to video feeds. Manycam has been in existence for over 15 years now and is available in English language, Dutch, Spanish, Portuguese, and Russian language. 2. WhatsApp. The second software we will be needing is WhatsApp Desktop installed on your computer. The video call feature on WhatsApp Desktop was made available recently and it's really cool. 3. Web browser. The third software we will be needing is a browser, either Chrome, Firefox or anyone available on your computer, but I'll recommend Firefox and Chrome. Now I'll break down in this video step by step how to install these softwares and fake your video call. First, open up your browser. Go to the address bar and type FilePama. Click on the first link to open www.filepama.com. Go to the search bar on FilePama and type in Manycam. Click Download now to download Manycam to your computer. Once it's downloaded, go to the Downloads folder and double-click on Manycam's setup to launch the installation wizard. Click on I accept to continue the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Manycam will automatically launch once the installation is complete. Go to Text tab and click on the checkbox to untick Show Manycam logo. This will turn off the Manycam watermark. Now let's download WhatsApp Desktop. Go to your browser and type in WhatsApp Desktop in the address bar, hit enter to search and click on the first link to download WhatsApp Desktop. Click on Download for Windows to download it to your computer. Once the download is complete, go to Downloads folder in your computer and click on the WhatsApp Desktop setup to launch the installation. If the installation is complete, WhatsApp Desktop will launch automatically. Go back to Manycam and right-click on Main black screen and click on Media Files to add any media file. In this tutorial I'm going to use Cristiano Ronaldo's video. You can use any video of your choice. If you want you can reduce the volume, that's not really necessary but it's up to you. Click on the Image tab and increase the zoom level to fit the full display in the main video screen. Open WhatsApp application on your mobile device and tap on WhatsApp desktop. Tap on Link a new device to link the WhatsApp application with WhatsApp desktop. Tap on OK to scan the WhatsApp desktop QR code. Once connected, you have access to your WhatsApp application on WhatsApp desktop. Please do remember to keep the mobile data on both the WhatsApp application and WhatsApp desktop, else the connection will be lost. Now that the video in Manycam is ready, let's call a friend now in WhatsApp and play the video in Manycam. As you can see, the video call is now connected. That's all for WhatsApp. Now let's try it in Hangouts. Open up your browser and type in hangouts.google.com. Click on Sign in to log into your Google account. Once signed in, you'll be redirected to Hangouts. Click on New Conversation to add a contact. If you already have the contact you want a video call, it's not necessary to add a new contact. Click on the video chat icon in the chat and click on Call with Video. Click on the settings icon on the top right corner of the video window, and change the video to Manycam. Change the microphone to Manycam and click on Done. Go back to Manycam, play the video. That's it, the video call is connected. That's all about faking video calls on WhatsApp and Hangouts using Manycam. I hope you find this video educative, and like we mentioned earlier, use this as a form of learning and don't use it to harm anyone. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video.